Hello everyone, my name is Meenakshi Selvakumar and welcome to my home kitchen cooking channel. Today I am going to show you how to make Rava Upma with veggies and spices to make it more tasteful and how to make coconut chutney. Let's see the method of preparation. Take 1 cup Rava, roast them to light brown. It may take 5 to 10 minutes to roast them on a low flame. Once they are roasted to light brown, transfer them to a plate or a bowl. Add 1/3 cup sesame oil or any cooking oil. You need 1 teaspoon mustard seeds, half a teaspoon cumin seeds, 1 teaspoon channa dal, 1 teaspoon cashew nuts, half a teaspoon turmeric powder, half a teaspoon hing, 1 teaspoon Urad Dal. Let's start adding them to the oil one by one. Cumin seeds, channa dal, Urad Dal, cashew nuts, once they start to splatter, add half a cup onions, 5 to 6 green chillies, few coriander leaves, 1 teaspoon of ginger, 1 teaspoon of garlic, few mint leaves, bay leaf and cloves, and a piece of cinnamon and curry leaves. We are going to add everything now and I am going to fry it. Keep frying until the onions turns light brown and the raw ginger garlic smell is gone. Now let's add the tomato. Let's add salt as required. Now the tomatoes are gone soft. Let's add the veggies. I've taken few corn, peas, potato, green bell pepper, carrot and green beans. You can choose your own veggies. Let's add them. Now let's add turmeric powder and hing. Now the veggies are soft enough. Let's add 2½ cups of water. Let it cook on a medium flame for 5 minutes. Then it starts to boil. Let's close a lid. Lower the flame and slowly start adding the rava. Now let's add 3 tablespoons of ghee to it. Looks like the masala Rava Upma is ready. It smells awesome. You can transfer to a plate and enjoy with coconut chutney. For kids, you can sprinkle some sugar on top of it. Let's see how to make coconut chutney. In a blender, add 1/3 cup split roasted gram, half a cup chopped coconut, 2 green chillies, 1 teaspoon grated ginger, 1 teaspoon coriander leaves, half a teaspoon salt, and blend to a coarse powder. Now add half a cup water and blend again to a paste. Transfer to a bowl. For seasoning, heat a small pan and add 1 teaspoon sesame oil, 1 teaspoon mustard seeds, 1 teaspoon cumin seeds, half a teaspoon Urad Dal, few curry leaves, 1 red chilli, half a teaspoon hing, Mix well, let them splatter. Then add to the chutney. Let me taste the masala upma. It tastes really good with coconut chutney. The ingredients I have shown is good for 2 adults and 2 kids. I hope you like this video. Thanks for watching. Please share and subscribe to my home kitchen cooking channel. See you all in the next video. Bye.